We are gonna go over some charts. I am currently shorting Bonk in Bitcoin, but it's not really doing a whole lot. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot about these. Hold on. So I forgot I'm long on Sui and Solana. We're taking this to $4. I don't even care. Oops. 37. Okay, so I forgot about these. I'm not gonna lie. But on this account, I am shorting Bonk and Bitcoin. Haven't done a lot yet, but okay. So we are gonna start with total market cap. So we're sitting at 4 trillion. Okay. We had this trend line on the daily time frame going down. We've broken out of that. And I expect us to go past 4.2 trillion. Might have a tiny pullback and go high, Stable coins continuing to drop, just like we want. And we've been marking this up together for a very long time. I just want to clean this up. We've been marking this up together for a long time. And, you look at total 2, this is excluding BTC, total 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see, we broke the all-time high. Well, no, actually, we already busted through this one. Now, we're right at the all-time high over here, which we can make another yellow line for. So, now, we need to get above this, okay? Now, others on the total, and then let's look at the dominance. So Bitcoin dominance is still in this major support zone, demand zone. Demand support, same thing, right? We are in this zone. I mean, we literally marked up this BTC dominance chart like to the T. It tapped the 786. But it doesn't mean that it cannot come up again. It can. It can come up again. We could bounce from this zone. It's very, very possible. Ethereum dominance tapped here. Now it's kind of pulling back a little. But then again, you could say it broke the trend. Right? Solana dominance is going crazy right now. But I do want to see it get above its all-time high. That would be amazing. Now the Solana strategies got listed on the NASDAQ. Got a lot of positive news, ETF, blah, blah, blah. XRP dominance also broke out, right? The others broke. I guess this, yeah, major spot. Okay, now that we've looked at that, oh, Moodang's pumping today, 18%. I wonder what that's about. I mean, really what happens is some of the perp traders, futures traders, they go on in groups and they hunt down meme coins that are big, and then they pump the price up. Okay, so right now, and this is why I shorted it today, we are in this daily resistance right here. Right? If you go down to the 4 hour, we tapped it and we pulled up and failed. So I'm looking to short this to about 112-ish. I think this will play out, to be honest. I really do. But as you see, trend line break. We're also in a bullish environment. Now the Sol to ETH chart. Solana's definitely leading right now. We have yet to get past the all-time high, which was made in August, when we almost hit 5K. Oh wait, no, hold on. I'm sorry. Is that the all-time? Yeah, it's the all-time high. So we're trying to get back up there. And get rid of some of these fibs. These are definitely not really current now. And can be cleaned up. This little pocket here is definitely significant. Oh, it's right here. Okay. This box also. Don't know if we're gonna get down here, but that's that. I'm refreshing my Twitch. So we're looking great. We are looking very, very good. Solana is just killing it right now. We just need to be mindful of daily levels. That's where DL, right? If we fib top to bottom, we're approaching the 2.7. Not quite there, just about there. Looking great. Look at that. Okay. Sui. We need to be watching this. Here's the thing though, we did wick out of that, yeah? We did wick out of this, and we're technically touching it. We're like bouncing on it right now, like a springboard. But, I mean, money flows green. I don't know. It's Saturday though, I don't expect some big bounce. If anything, probably sweep below this a little bit. Doesn't mean it's losing its momentum or gravity or push. But you'll see a lot of these coins have just broken out of a lot of this, of the trend lines on the daily, bigger time frames. So they're significant. They mean a lot. They're not just some BS. They're definitely major, right? If we can come back down to this 2.7 fib, So like $2.87. I'm really gonna go hard on this position for a new all-time high of like $4. Or I guess that wouldn't be a new all-time high, is it? It's can't remember. Well, this is Binance's chart. Oh, I guess it is. That would be a new. Sorry, I could have thought XRP way back years ago. It's like $5. I don't know why. Look how steady, hyper liquid, breakout, 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 over and over and over. I mean, I told you guys back in April at $11. $11. I was talking about this on my YouTube page. There's videos. So now we are on a new, if we can get down to 54.9. Altcoin, I mean, dude, I marked this up. You know, I remember taking a leverage position on this. I wish I just held this thing. You know what I mean? Like, I wish I just held this. Obviously, the stop loss wouldn't have been like that. I wish I just held this thing, because it's doing amazing. But it is what it is. If you want to, you could do something like that. It's broken out of that. You know, I expect Altcoin to keep pushing. I'm not in it spot, aka long term. I'm more so in it just trading it leverage, you know. Now, this coin caught my attention. I'm not in it long term either. I've been day trading it. Very fast, very volatile, fast movement, okay? So if you do trade MYX, be very cautious. I shorted this yesterday. Wish I would have held. I literally caught the top of this. Not even kidding. Literally the top of MYX to the T. I was live trading at 10 a.m. yesterday. I caught the top of that, but I just took it down to the support right here. It is what it is. I wish I just held that thing. I would have been up majorly. Wow, Pump's in a very good spot right now. Pump's just kept pumping. I mean, honestly, kind of want to look for a long, because it's continuing to pump. Basically, so they've been buying back their tokens, which all the exchanges and dexes, you know, that have been like Aerodrome, Jupiter, even though we haven't seen big pushes in Jupe right now, but look at Hyperliquid. I told you about this the other video the other day. These tokens are just going up, 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 and up. So, you know, those are the big players right now. Is the exchange tokens that are buying back their tokens. World Liberty is starting to wake up. Obviously had a moment where it had a hard time. IMX. Caspa. I'm really hoping Caspa can break out soon. It's kind of just been in this spot down here for a minute now. We have not seen it do a whole lot in a while. You can see since April we've been just kind of, you know, it's been in this 8-cent range for a minute. BNB is continuing to outperform. About to tap, getting ready to tap $1,000. I'm gonna put a limit order about 861. And that would be where I take it to 1,000. Render, same thing as Caspa. We need to see this thing wake up. It's just also, look at that. I mean, it has broken. XLM doing very well. H-bar, same thing. So XLM, H-bar, and XRP, they're all kind of looking the same in a way. Matic, Polkadot, not a big fan of Polkadot. AVAX, okay. So, let's talk about AVAX, guys. I do have to start getting ready in a minute, but AVAX is AVAX has been, so they're building a lot of games. They've been building a lot of AAA crypto Web3 games. But also there's tons of other things that's going on AVAX right now. Oops. Hold on. So what I really want is an alert to buy. What's going on in AVAX is there's, for example, this one guy that is buying old companies, using blockchain for all the payments and all this other shit, right? And basically reviving the businesses, performing a lot better. WorldCoin really woke up. I'm a holder of WorldCoin. But I think AVAX is gonna shock a lot of people. I think a lot of people are sleeping on AVAX. I don't hold AVAX, to be honest with you, but I think it's gonna start doing some numbers. So let's go through some more. Drift has been waking up. Anything on Solana has been, Pyth, look at Pyth. Jesus. Wow, Cloud is really waking up as well. Fetch AI, I'm hoping can get, some momentum again. Hopefully we can get up to that $1.50 level. Aerodrome, like I told you, doing really well. It is really waking up. I am a holder of Arrow. Ton hasn't gotten out of $3 in a long time. I guess it briefly did in March, but yeah, it hasn't been good. AR, Filecoin, Aave. Aave is obviously always a good one. OP. I'm gonna go to Ondo. Ondo is priming up to start going to new highs, I guarantee it. We're gonna go ahead, mark some key levels here on the daily. Okay. KSM, Injective. Now, Injective is another one that broke out. It's going to continue. I think we're going to easily get to these higher levels of like $25 and up, right? Jasmine, doing okay, but nothing that great. Big significant demand zone has broken out though, just like all these others. And I think we'll do okay. But Helium Network, SPX, doing well. Moodang just went crazy today. I don't know what that's about. Moodang went crazy. I don't know why. I'm assuming a bunch of traders pumped it. This could be a good pullback short. Money flow starting to go red. I bet you this could be a nice little pullback move. We might be able to short this thing. Maybe not yet, but sometime today. That's a big, just that is 17%. Obviously, price has moved so fast that this is extremely volatile. Okay. You can go 20x for max. I'm going to be currently waiting for a short. Not yet, but okay. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a what? Pepe is pumping this morning too. Oh wow, Pepe is doing great. Okay. Anyways, guys, yeah, a lot of these meme coins are killing it today. Wow. It's like a dog with a hat. I mean, they're doing okay, but Pengu, Go, Chill Guy, Bonk, Trump. These are kind of the older meme coins that, let's look at Doge. What the? Dude, Doge is up 9% today. SHIB's not. It's up 3.5 though, but okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish this off. I do gotta get ready for my day. I appreciate y'all. Hit the like, subscribe, and follow button. I do this every day for you guys and you guys only. I'm gonna close Solana, maybe. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of Solana trade. Okay. But we got Sui still popping off. Appreciate y'all. Have an amazing day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace out.